Go.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Oswalt, and I am going to be introducing you to our wonderful new switcher at UTP. So, this is what the switcher looks like. Basically, these are the buttons for program. It's called main source. You can see it. Yep, and then subsource is preview, and so it glows yellow, even though you can't really see it right now. So there's 4 camera inputs. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. DVI, and then black and bars. So basically works the same way as a regular switcher. You can put something in preview, and then cut goes straight to it. Can they see the thing?
Do it again.
Okay. So cut just cuts straight to the shot that's in preview, and if you hit take, it does whatever your default transition is set as. So you set your transition here. So you can see right now it's set to mix. Can you read wait, no, here, Farzan. There, these ones, okay. So now it's set to mix. You can tell because it's glowing, even though you can't really tell. And so then when you can either go take here, or you can use the T-bar, and it's set to go both ways. So you can't see the screen, but yeah. So that means that you can just set the speed yourself. Whee! Okay, this is the master audio. So when you fade the audio and set the levels, it comes up here. And the level indicators up here at the top. Okay. What else? Okay, these buttons. Preview is what brings up the screen that you see right now with all the different inputs. And if you go switch to program, it goes full screen to whatever's in program right now. So you see I can switch between the camera inputs in program. Just makes it bigger. Okay, and then back to preview takes you out of that. These are the camera operator, their comm sets. So you can call, like I could call camera 1 there, and you can hear it rings. So now I can hear camera 1, and now I can hear all the cameras. And then I turn them off, and I can't hear them. If I don't want them to hear me, I hit this mute button. Otherwise, they'll hear me with this microphone that's set here. It sticks out, so I don't have to wear a headset. Headphones, so you can monitor audio here. They just plug in right here on top left, and there's a volume level there, so you can set the volume for the headphones. Okay, and the transitions you can change. So mix is the one it's set at right now, and that's the dissolve. So you could switch it to like this, and so then I'll show them what it looks like. So then when you go to do the transition, it looks like that. Or I could change it to this one, go like that. And then if you hit this button, it gives it a soft edge as it comes in. Okay, and then you switch that back to mix, and it resets it.
Go.
Okay, so in order to set the picture-in-picture, you go set, and then hit preview, and then all of these light up down here, so you can choose which input you want to set as your picture-in-picture. So right now it's camera 3, we probably have it as DVI, which is black, so I'll set it as camera 4. Okay. Yeah, so now that's picture-in-picture, so then to bring up picture-in-picture, let me see if I can remember, you hit, not that, let's see, if you go hit preview, yeah, oh, is it because it's black?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me reset it. Let me
Okay.
set it as
Start from the beginning.
2. Oh, yeah, that works better. Okay, so start over.
Yep.
Go off. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, so in order to set the picture-in-picture, you go to set, hit preview, and then we'll set it as, we'll set it as camera 3. Okay, so that's what the picture-in-picture is set at now. And you can see it up here in preview. Okay, so then if you want to bring that into program, you hit the button that says Luma program right here. And then it comes up in your program monitor. Okay, so that's how you set the PIP. There's also a clock button. It brings in a little clock in the top right corner of your screen. Yeah. And then also the 1 and 2 are for, you can have 2 logos. So that's both of them pulled up. And we can change and set those logos and move them around and all that stuff. So I'm turning them off. Maybe, yep. Okay, so under menu, you have PIP setting. So you can change where your PIP is at and its size. We'll leave those alone. For logos, so this is where you would select your logo. So you can see it in the preview how it's paging through the different logos that are already in the machine. Yeah. So we'll just leave it at that one. Okay. And then you can change their position, and you can do that for both of the logos. Just set them both. Mode setting, monitor mode, auto take speed, blah blah. Clock setting, just leave that alone. 2-way T-bar mode is turned on. Okay, so now you wanted to do the call things, right?
Yep.
Okay. Woo! Is it still recording?
Yep.
Okay, so camera operators each have one of these headsets. And if the camera operator wants to call the director for some reason, there is a call button. Can they see it's right here on the front side? So if I wanted to call the director, I would hit this call, and you can hear it ring from the switcher itself. And so then they would pick up and say hello. And on these you can obviously set your volume, talk, whatever, normal stuff. Okay, that's my microphone. What else?
XLR's on the back of the switcher.
Oh, okay. These are where all the inputs are at on the back of the switcher. So you have inputs from the cameras down here. I haven't actually looked at the back yet, but I'm assuming these are all the cameras. And then these are the comm sets. Are right there, plugged into the XLR. Actually, it says 2 belt pack. That's really convenient. And then this is what we're doing with the audio out. Channel 1. Oh, this must be the microphone you're using, right? Okay, so that's where your audio in, it's labeled. So you can have up to 4 channels of audio. Right now we just had 1 because we were just using 1 microphone. And then it looks like he's sending 2 audio channels out through this converter box. Yes. Now what?
No,
And our beautiful new camera.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
We can sign it off.
Okay, so this is Kimberly Oswalt signing off for the new switcher tutorial 2013.